In this video, we're gonna perform a fingerprint sensor speed test to see how fast is the fingerprint sensor on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start by going to the lock screen. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor. So let's give it a try. First, I'm gonna just keep tapping in order to see for how long I need to hold my finger. By the way, I don't have any screen protector, which of course can affect the sensor. As you can see, a simple tapping doesn't work. We are being told that we need to hold for a little bit longer. However, I feel like we don't have to hold for too long. It is definitely just a fraction of a second. So I would say that the sensor works pretty fast. It detects my finger quite rapidly. And there's also a small animation going on, of course, while unlocking the phone. But it works just fine. I think it's pretty fast. Now we're gonna also check if we can unlock quickly with AOD. So over here we have always on display enabled. So let's tap over here. So there is a little jump. Let's actually go back over here. There is an animation, however, I feel like sometimes it's just like instant home screen. There we go. So I would say it is still quite fast, even though we are not in the lock screen. I think the unlock time is pretty similar, although I feel like, no, I don't think we need to even hold for longer than in the lock screen. So this is definitely a good news. And I'm just gonna also see if we can unlock our phone without the AOD. Alright, so always on display is now disabled. Let's give it a try. Let's see if we can unlock our phone. The fingerprint sensor is still being visible, so that definitely tells us that we can unlock our phone. Which actually makes me wonder if the AOD is truly disabled, because why the sensor is being shown over here if AOD is disabled. But as you can see, it works just fine. So I'm just gonna also wait now for the sensor to disappear in order to see if that makes any difference. Alright, so now it is gone. And yeah, it still works just fine. So I would say the speed is really good, considering that this is a budget phone. The fingerprint sensor is really fast. I would say even faster than on some other more expensive devices. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!